Hey, this is the DIY Magician. It is January 1st, 2018, and I want to let you know that we've had a great couple of years going so far. But this year is when it really starts to get exciting. We're going to have all sorts of fun. We're going to make projects. We're going to do more puppets. We're going to do more palette stuff. We're going to make more magical items. We're going to have lots of fun for everyone. In fact, we're going to do some traveling, and I'm going to tell you all about the fun travels that I take over throughout the year. We're going to have fun, so there's going to be a little bit for everyone. If you don't like the video that's posted, come back and watch the one that you do like, because I know we're going to have a wide range of videos. But as you can see behind me, I'm getting the studio, a brand new studio ready. All this stuff is going to be sorted through. We're going to have it shifted off to the side. We're going to have my staging backdrop. We're going to have all sorts of fun. So just remember that 2018 is going to be awesome. You and the DIY Magician. Those of you who've been with me before, thank you very much for coming back, and thank you for watching this video. For those of you who are watching me for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and you'll see all the videos before anyone else does. So thanks again. This is the DIY Magician. January 1st, 2018. Woo! Had a little cold. It's okay.